Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today we are going to talk about some healthy snacks that you can buy at Uwajimaya. I did one of these a few months ago at Trader Joe's. I kind of just talked through a bunch of different snacks that I like to get from Trader Joe's, but I thought why not go to a different grocery store and do the same thing. So this time I went to Uwajimaya. I have a few favorites here and then some new ones that I discovered today. So I just want to show you guys all of it. And yeah, so if you guys like healthy snacks, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, so the first healthy snack I have in front of me is some seaweed. So you can find different types of seaweed everywhere. Costco has it, Trader Joe's has it. This one is a wasabi flavored. I love the wasabi flavored ones. Trader Joe's has one too. And yeah, so these are great. They're a little crunch that you can get. You do have to be careful that it doesn't have too many ingredients. That's one thing that I was looking for today, was to find the one with the least amount of ingredients and have seaweed be the #1 ingredient, because you'd be surprised. So this one is just a wasabi one that I found at Uwajimaya, and yeah, it's gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, no added preservatives, no MSG or sugar, which surprisingly there was some that had added sugar. So that just goes to show you guys, definitely read your ingredients. Make yourself familiar with what you're eating, and once you get that awareness, you'll just realize like, wow, I had no idea sugar would go in this. Like, really, seaweed? So anyways, this is definitely a really awesome snack to have on the go. All right, so the next item I have is these coconut chips. And they had different ones. They had a crispy beet chips, a crispy pineapple chips, and a crispy mango one. I got the coconut one. I think they had the beet one that maybe I'll try next time. But yeah, this just has 2 ingredients. You guys know I love when things have very minimal ingredients in it. So it's just coconut and raw cane sugar. And cane sugar in its truest form is good for you. Of course, sugar in general, you have to make sure, especially processed sugar, that you don't have that much of, but this is raw cane sugar, so you know, if you're gonna have sugar, this is probably one of the better ones to have. So yeah, these are just coconut chips. Let me open it and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, the seaweed, I'll open up the seaweed too actually after this, but yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see it or if it focuses well, but it even has kind of like the outer brown edge of a coconut. So, I'm imagining like putting this on top of like yogurt and granola, chocolate, any kind of dessert. That is really good. All right, so since this has turned into a taste testing as well, let's go ahead and open up one of these seaweed ones. Oh, these are so cute. All right, so it comes in a little package like this. I will be honest, when I buy my seaweed package, they're much bigger. They're like this, like a good square. I buy the big, huge ones from Costco a lot of times, and yeah, they're about double this size. So this is very tiny, but yeah. That wasabi gives it like that little kick in the back of your mouth. Oh, wasabi's my favorite. All right, so the next thing I have is this certified organic power mix uber healthy super fruit mix. So what this is mainly made of is organic goji berries, golden berries, and white mulberries. So these are superfood berries. It's so good for you, so good for digestion and your metabolism and everything. And I want to show you guys, let's see, I don't know if it's gonna focus very well, but let's see. These are mulberries, goji berries, and then what was the other one called? Golden berries. So mulberries and goji berries I'm very familiar with. Golden berries though, I'm not sure, but these are so good. And sorry, I'm eating it. What I like to do with these is at night when I am having kind of like a craving for something, I'll make myself a big glass of tea And usually it'll be like a green tea or a herbal tea. A lot of times it's actually just a herbal tea since I am kind of winding down the night, but a white tea as well. Anyways, and then I'll just make a big kind of glass of it or a mug of it, and then I'll dump a few, like 5 to 6 berries into my mug. And I don't know, it just gives it a nice little, very, very subtle taste to it. And then at the end, when I'm done with my tea, it's all plump and nice and warm, and I can just enjoy them. So that's how I like it. It just has those berries, no sugar added, no nothing. So that is perfect, exactly what I look for when I find quick kind of grabbing snacks. All right, so the next thing I have is something that's actually brand new to me. I've never seen this before. They're popped sorghum. I think that's how you say it. But I was really intrigued by this because it just says tasty, healthy snacks. I know that sometimes that's just kind of like a tagline and you want to still make sure, but it says this is better than popcorn, which I'll admit, popcorn is great. It's a great snack to have, very, very low carb, and you know, it just kind of fills you up and you can get a crunch from it. But it does sometimes, the kernels, when you eat all that, it's hard for me to digest sometimes, and I actually sometimes have tummy aches at night from it. So I've kind of gone back and taken, you know, like a step back from having too much popcorn. So anyways, this says that it's better than popcorn, no GMO, gluten-free, vegan, easy to digest. That's the one that I was like, okay, all right, let's give it a try. No hulls, tastes great, lower glycemic index, and may lower cholesterol. I don't know about that one, but I don't know. I was intrigued, so I'm all about trying to find healthy snacks. And yeah, they honestly, if you can see the inside of this at all, they look like little popcorns. So, interesting. They pretty much taste like popcorn. Like miniature version popcorn, but this is really good. This is a rosemary garlic flavor. I really like it. I'll have to let you guys know if it's truly easy to digest though, because that's the part of popcorn that I'm not a fan of. So anyways, if you guys have a chance to try this out, you should. It's really good. The flavor is really good. It tastes exactly like popcorn, and this rosemary garlic flavor is really, really good. So definitely recommend. All right, so the next item that I have is to my left here, and there are just mangoes. Oh my goodness, you guys. At Uwajimaya, mangoes right now are $1 each, which is quite a steal. And not only that, but I will pay a good amount of money if it tastes good. But when it's off season, mangoes are just such hit and miss. But right now, these $1 mangoes are so sweet. And we've totally replaced any of our desserts with just having a mango now. And it just satisfies our cravings so much at night. So definitely loving these mangoes as a quick snack or a quick dessert. All right, so the last kind of healthy snack or drink in this case that I have for you guys are these teas. So one of them is a oolong tea, which is very similar to a dark black tea. And then red ginseng tea, which I found out when I was trying to make that curry paste last month that ginseng is so expensive fresh. I had no idea because when we were in Asia, you know, they had it on the trays and everything, and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, I've seen this in the stores. But yeah, when I went to go buy it, I was like, oh, yeah, what's the substitute? But anyways, I got these teas. First off, they're not sweetened, so there's no added sugar to it, which is how I like to have my tea. I like to enjoy it just naturally without adding anything to it. If I really want to add something, I'll add like stevia or something like that to it, but a lot of times I just have my tea just plain. But yeah, that's what I kind of like. I look for ones that don't have any sugar added. So that's why I picked these up. All right, there you guys go. Those are just some of my top picks for healthy snacks at Uwajimaya. If you guys go to Uwajimaya, please let me know, or any type of Asian kind of specialty store, what your favorite snacks are. I'm totally open to trying. I love trying new ones. You know, you guys saw some of these ones I've never tried before. So I'm always open to try new things. So just let me know in the comment section what your favorite. Doesn't even have to be healthy, guys, because you know, balance. It's all about balance. So if it's not healthy, it's all good. Just let me know what your favorite snack at any of these Uwajimaya or Asian type stores are, and I will try and find it myself. And yeah, because you guys have some awesome suggestions in the comments. So anyways, if you guys like healthy snacks, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.